Hi there, this is Belle from Woxo. I'm here on the editing part of our video editor, and I can change things manually, such as the media, some copy here. As you can see, I just need to click and it will open, or I can use I can also use the advanced settings. I just click on advanced, and as I see here, I can use the Google Sheets. That's cool. So I'm gonna open the Google Sheet here that I've customized to my taste. So I added some images from Cloudinary and some from Pexels. I changed the copy, and each row corresponds to one video, so I'm keeping the format as before. I'm just gonna click here, so I'm copying the URL. I'm going back to this page, then click on Import Google Sheet. I'm gonna delete all this. So I'm gonna paste my URL here. I'm just gonna click on Pull, and a pop-up will appear asking me to grant permission. I'm signed as my personal user, so I'm just gonna grant access. And this is gonna redirect me to the editing area. As I see here, there are 5 videos in this sheet and there are no errors, so I can just import these videos. And as we can already see in the preview, these videos have changed to my just as the ones I've customized in the Google Sheets. I can see here, if I deactivate the advanced settings, that these are the same codes as the ones I've had here. So that's basically it. You just need to grant access one time, and happy editing. Have fun. Bye.